When you said that we was finished, was that truth or lie? Yeah. Tell me all the things that keep you up at night. Crying in your pillow, hoping they can't hear you. You know I am not the type to criticize. All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them. Online you Santa Maria, but inside you bleeding. Look, I know you try to live your life. You was never good at picking sides, but I've been going places without you. I cannot stop thinking about us and all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. I've been going places without you.
One eternity later.
And all the things we could have been. Wishing we could reminisce. Wishing we could reminisce. Why you run away from me?
Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? Hey, what's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Hey, how y'all living? How y'all feeling? Drop a comment down below and let your girl know. Your girl is feeling great, y'all. No complaints, all right? God is still in the blessing business in the midst of this storm, okay? Yes, y'all, God is good. You know what I'm saying? I am in a good mood. I hope you all are doing well. I hope you all are staying safe. And I hope you all are taking care of you. Yes, you. I know sometimes it gets hard to take care of yourself, but you have to take care of you. You get caught up in taking care of your family, your kids, other people around you. Sometimes your job drives you crazy. But y'all, you cannot take care of other people if you don't take care of you. All right, I had to learn that the hard way, y'all. No shame in my game. I checked myself into therapy, okay? Healing is an amazing thing. So let's jump right into today's video. Today's video is brought to you by Sam's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for sending me this unit to review. All of their information will be listed down below in the description box, as well to the direct link where you can purchase this wig off their site, honey. All right. So let's get into the nitty gritty of today's wiggy. Y'all, I got an attitude, okay? And you will soon find out why. The wig that I'm wearing today is by SENSATIONNEL. It is their Cloud 9 Swiss Lace What Lace Hairline Illusion Lace Wig. This hair is 100% premium fiber and it is heat resistant safe up to 400 degrees. They said this lace is HD and it's supposed to keep y'all guessing. Okay. All right. I mean, the lace does look good. It melted good. I ain't even gonna lie. So I still got an attitude though. I have this wig in the style AUDRY in the color number 1. I am not new to the what lace wigs at all. I will leave my what lace playlist down below in the description box. So y'all already know how I do. I drop those pros and those cons, but I'm gonna jump right into those cons first. The first con that I have to say is that this wig sheds like crazy. This wig sheds so much, y'all, and that's why I got an attitude. Because this wig is too pretty to be shedding like this. Sheds nonstop, okay? Every time I run... And it also tangles, y'all. That was going to be my second con, is that it has snags. So this wig does shed and it does snag. And honestly, those are the only two cons that I have to say about this wig. Dang. Come on, Audrey. It's literally hair all over these thunder thighs. Thunder thighs. And my clappers. Let's make it clap. That's my thighs. Y'all heard it. I know. Just make it clap. That's Busta Rhymes. Y'all ain't know that. It's your Busta Rhymes. You know what I'm saying? In the building. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into the pros. The first pro I would have to say about this wig is that the lace melted to perfection. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, it looks really, really good, y'all. I am so impressed with how this wig melted. Either they stepped up their lace game or my wig melting skills went up 20 points. It's either one or the other. Like I said, it melted to perfection. Do not pay attention to the sides. I don't apply makeup or lay my sides down. Just focus on right here. What you gonna see. All right. where you want to be. Yes. Tell me what you want from me. Take a look at what you see. Let me know it. As you know, the lace on these wigs do come really, really light. I did not list that as a con because there's nothing new. I just do what I need to do to make it blend. I did apply some pressed powder underneath the lace and some concealer on top of the lace when I melted this down, and it turned out pretty good. I did not have to do anything to this parting space. It looks really, really good. All I did was apply some pressed powder and y'all popping. This wig does come with 13x6 parting space, and I love that. You can either wear a middle, right, or left part. Banging. Okay, I love it. I do love the style of this wig. Even though the wig does tangle and shed, I'm here for the messy look. Before I forget to mention, this wig is not big head friendly. I did not list that as a con because everybody's head size ain't mine. The ear tabs are not coming down to my ears at all, but I knew what to expect. I've tried a lot of wet lace wigs. It's really not a whole lot for me to say about this wig. This is one of those wigs, either you like it or you don't like it. I do like her, but then again, I don't like her. I'm on the fence because it's like the shedding gotta go. But when I took my thumbnail pictures, oh my God. I was like, girl, you is bad. All right. Overall, very nice wig. I do like Miss Audrey, but that shedding got to go. And I believe I'm going to rock her again. The hair texture is really, really soft, even though it snags. Once you brush it out, it feels really, really good. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up today's video because it's not a whole lot for me to say. As some of you may know, or some of you may not know, I did say that I would start doing comment shout outs in my video, just to thank you all individually for taking the time to watch my videos, like my videos, comment on my videos, because you don't have to. So I just want to take a moment to acknowledge 6 people in today's video, but going forward, it will only be 3. And I want y'all to remember this. If you do not get shouted out in a video, don't be mad. Don't hit the thumbs down button. Okay, before I say the names, disclaimer. Y'all know I mess up wig names all the time. So if I mess up your name, don't be mad at me, okay? It's coming from a good place, all right? Y'all know I mess up everything all the time. But I really do appreciate y'all so much. Some of y'all comments be having me ugly crying, like legit. I be like, Today's video shout outs go to Peachy M. That's my boo. I love you, boo. Chris 7+3. Chris been riding with me for a long time. I appreciate you so much, Chris. I love you. Miss Dana Harvey. Listen, if I said your name wrong, it's my husband's fault because I even asked him how to say your name. So, blame it on him. But her comments always be having me weak. She's always so positive, and I just love the support that she pours into me. And next we have Miss Antoinette Gill. That's my boo. I can always count on her comments. They're so positive, they're funny, they're uplifting, they're supportive. I appreciate all y'all so much. And then I have Miss Calandra Nelson. Miss Nelson, come on. She supports me on YouTube and on Instagram. When I say she showed me so much love, she shows me so much love. She calls me her big sis. Oh, and Facebook. She shows me love on Facebook too, especially in our wig groups. And she just pours so much love into me. She calls me her big sis, little sis. I love you and I appreciate you. Thank you so much. And last but not least, I have Miss K Chanel. She said that her and her daughter, Miss Eve, they watch my videos together all the time. And Miss Eve says, "What's up? What's up?" I just appreciate each and every one of y'all. We are almost to 10K. Yes, I'm so excited. Once again, a big thank you to Sam's Beauty for sending me this unit to review. If you like today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up for your girl. If you have any comments or any questions or you just want to say what's up, drop it down below and you know I will talk back to you. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. I know you see it. I know you see it. Yes. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.
All these dudes up in your DM act like you don't see them.